Extension lesson 2-2, example number 3. Alright, so looking here, this one, I have some simplifying I can do with my numbers, my coefficients, my 6 and my 18, and I'm seeing two negative exponents I have to deal with, the y to the negative 5 and the x to the negative 3, which I basically just cut it up. There we go. So, first things first here, noticing that 6 and that 18, those constants need to be simplified. Both 6 and 18 are divisible by 6, so I'm going to simplify each of those by 6. So I'm going to divide it by 6, and I'm going to divide the 18 by 6 also. 6 divided by 6 on the top gives me 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then I still have my x squared on top because, again, that is a positive x squared, or I'm sorry, the exponent is positive, that's a positive 2, so it doesn't need to move. The y to the negative 5th, it's on the top right now, so it needs to move down to the bottom, again, becoming positive as it does so. And that's it for the top. We already took care of the 18 on the bottom, so now the x to the negative 3 comes up to the top and turns positive. So a little bit of a hint, a little bit of a preview here. This would be simplified for now because I haven't taught you guys anything further, but a little preview into the next lesson here would be dealing with these two x's. If I have x squared times x to the third, well, x squared, if I were to expand that, that really is x times x. And x to the third would be x times x times x. Let's take a look at that for a second. Let's take a side bubble. Let's sidebar for a sec. And look at x squared times x to the third. X squared is really just x times x. X to the third is really just x times x times x. And those two things are being multiplied. So really, x squared times x to the third power turns into x to the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth power. A little bit of a preview into next extensions lesson. So this can finally be simplified to x to the 5th on top and y to the 5th on the bottom. Boom. And I'm just going to bubble in that sidebar because why not?